Hi everyone, I'm Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we will be discussing the die transitive verb deny from active voice into passive voice, how we are going to change it into passive voice. Before starting that into passive voice, we need to put a glance on the definition of die transitive verbs. You can pronounce it both die or de transitive verb. Die means to, transitive which can be changed into passive voice, verb which shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects, keep in your mind they need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways, and we can change them in passive voice in how many ways? Four ways are called die or de transitive verbs. Die transitive verbs need one direct object and one indirect object. What is direct object? All non-livings. Whatever the non-livings we have, they are called the direct object, and whatever the livings we have, they are called the indirect object. So non-livings are called direct object and livings are called indirect object. Before changing it into passive voice, we will just look how do they need two objects. If you put one of the objects, today when we will practice it with our die transitive verb deny. For example, I say he denies you. So he denies you for what? So for that you need to put the both objects. And he denies a offer, and whom he denies the offer. So for that both objects are necessary to be put together. Like I say, he denies you a offer. So this is the way to have the both objects. And he denies you what? A offer. He denies a offer whom? To you. So for that indirect and direct object both are coming. Mostly we bring indirect object, the living at the beginning and non-living at the end, direct at the end. But if you want to shuffle the places of them, so keep in your mind your indirect object you will be followed by a preposition. Like he denies a offer to you. So these are the ways to change them into active voice into two ways. Now our main target, how we are going to change them from active voice into passive voice into four ways. We have got today used to as a structure. As a model auxiliary verb, we have already changed it in previous lecture, and now we will be changing it as a structure. So as a structure, how we are going to change it from active voice into passive voice. And used to is used as a structure as well for past habits and actions. Habits and actions which we used to do in past, but now we have left doing them. Clear? And in we will be changing the simple sentences in two ways in active voice. He used to deny us offers. She used to deny us offers. She used to deny offers to us. Now over there us is coming at the beginning, indirect object, direct at the end. But if you bring the direct, so indirect object us will be followed by a preposition to. In passive voice there are four ways to change them. We were used to be denied by our offers. We were used to be denied offers by us, and offers were used to be denied by her to us, and offers were used to be denied to us by her. Over there these are the four ways to change them. Now see, when you bring your subject, the doer of an action, in the place of object, like by her or here. Clear? So here by her is not called object, which most of the students call it object, but keep in your mind it is not object, it is called agent. And what is agent? It tells us who does an action in a sentence. And another thing that when you bring object, whether indirect or direct at the beginning, like us changes into we and offers at the beginning, so over there they are called subject, no doubt, but they are not the title doer of an action. They are called the title or the topic subject. And what is the definition of title and topic subject? A person, place or thing in a sentence which we are talking about is called title and topic subject. In first and second sentence we are talking about a person, in third and fourth sentence we are talking about thing. So that is known as the title and topic subject. And keep in your mind, we comes when in the place of subject in first and second sentence. So by are comes at the beginning, offers at the end, offers at the beginning, by are at the end. And when you bring in third sentence and in fourth sentence, offers in the place of subject, so by are comes at the beginning, to us at the end, to us at the beginning, by are at the end. Now next we have got negative sentences. Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, refuse the statement are called negative sentences. She did not used to deny us offers. She did not used to deny offers to us. We were not used to be denied by our offers. We were not used to be denied offers by her. Offers were not used to be denied by her to us. Offers were not used to be denied to us by her. Next we have got interrogative sentences. Those sentences in which we ask questions, put queries are called interrogative sentences. Did she used to deny us offers? Did she used to deny offers to us? Were we used to be denied by our offers? Were we used to be denied offers by her? Were offers used to be denied by her to us? And were offers used to be denied to us by her? Next we have got formal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask questions, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal and polite way are called formal sentences. Did she not used to deny us offers? Did she not used to deny offers to us? Were we not used to be denied by our offers? Were we not used to be denied offers by her? Were offers not to be used to be denied by her to us? And were offers not used to be denied to us by her? Next we have got informal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask questions, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way. In a informal way, we use it with our juniors, youngers. We use it with one whom you are close with, and with our friends in a friendly atmosphere. Did not short form is didn't. Didn't she used to deny us offers? Didn't she used to deny offers to us? Weren't we used to be denied by our offers? Weren't we used to be denied offers by us? Weren't offers used to be denied by her to us? Weren't offers used to be denied to us by her? So these are the sentences of ditransitive verb, deny with structure used to. And hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with the next lecture.